Hey everybody, it's Kenny Landrum at Toyota Bowling Green, and you see Cody Stumbo right here in the background. It is time to give away the grill that all you folks have registered for on Facebook and commented on Facebook, and we are so excited that we've had everybody out there commenting, liking, sharing the second annual Toyota Bowling Green Thrill of the Grill giveaway. So I'm going to get off here and turn this camera around to Cody Stumbo, and Cody's going to tell you more about what we're going to do. Hey, Cody.
All right, guys. Like Kenny said, my name's Cody Stumbo, sales consultant here at Toyota Bowling Green. Just want to reiterate what Kenny is saying. We appreciate everybody who's liked and shared and commented on our Facebook posts about this grill giveaway. Going to be honest, Kenny just told me it was a commercial true infrared grill, whatever that means. It's a nice grill. It says right here, 725 square inches of cooking area. Wow, unbelievable. So what I'm gonna do is that Kenny tells me that I'm gonna press some buttons and something's gonna happen. I don't believe him, but we're getting ready to find out.
So here's the computer generated program here. It's a random comment Facebooker. And it's filtering out all the duplicate users. So look, what does that say?
440 unique commenters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this little start button. It's going to do its deal.
And it's going to do it live. So everybody knows that this is all authentic
this
and
is
true.
Not staged.
It is not staged.
All right, here we go.
It's going through the entries right there. Sue Miller.
Sue Miller.
Sue Miller, you're the winner of the Thrill of the Grill sweepstakes or Facebook contest.
Whatever, yeah.
Here at Toyota Bowling Green. So what you do to pick up your what do they have to do, Cody, to pick up their prize?
I assume they're going to come here and get it.
Exactly. Come on down. Come on down to Toyota Bowling Green and see Justin Taylor. He's our sales manager. He will have this grill ready for you to pick up. Now, you will need to bring a truck or something to pick up your grill, but you also get a $100 gift card to Halchin's IGA, so you can actually put some meat on the grill.
Put some meat on the grill and cook it, like a brand new grill.
Absolutely. So we here at Toyota Bowling Green really appreciate you. We appreciate everybody here that comes to our dealership and sees us. So come on down. Hey, Cody, let's finish this up.
Hey, come on, Kenny. Let's do it.
Come on down to Toyota Bowling Green and
see Kenny, me, anybody, any sales
professional.
We'll take good care of you. We're always motivated to move cars, so we'll try to do whatever.
It's the end of the month too, right?
End of the month. The last couple days, we're motivated. We've had a good month. We want to finish strong. Come out and see us. We got the deals. We got the cars. Lifetime powertrain protection.
Yes. So one last look at the grill that Sue won here. So Sue, come out and pick up your commercial true infrared Charbroil grill. Be sure to bring a truck so you can pick it up and take it away. Come see Justin Taylor. He'll take care of getting you your $100 gift card as well to Halchin's IGA. And we really appreciate you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank y'all.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Come and see Justin Taylor, our sales manager. He'll get it for you.